One sunny morning, Spangy, the friendly baker, arrived at his little shop where he sold fresh bread, creamy milk, soft muffins, sweet cupcakes, and fluffy donuts. But today, something wasn't right. Spangy gasped, staring at the mess inside.
Oh no! What happened here? My shop! It's all messed up! And wait, my cupcakes, my muffins, even some bread! They're missing! Who could have done this? I must find out.
Without wasting time, he locked his shop and rushed out into town, determined to solve the mystery. His first stop, the school. He peeked through the windows and checked the playground, but everything looked normal.
No signs of crumbs here. The students seem innocent.
He scratched his head and decided to visit the nearby farm. On the way there, he spotted the farmer.
Farmer! You won't believe what happened. Someone sneaked into my shop and stole my muffins, cupcakes, and bread.
The farmer wiped his hands and looked concerned.
Oh dear, that's terrible. Do you need help finding the thief?
Yes, please! I need all the help I can get.
Just then, Spangy's eyes widened. Near the farm gate, he spotted something on the ground. Crumbs and pieces of bread and muffins scattered around.
Look, there's some of my missing muffins and bread. The culprit must be nearby.
He followed the trail, and suddenly, behind a haystack, they found the thief, the nutty goat, chewing happily on Spangy's stolen goods.
There's the thief, your goat, farmer.
The farmer sighed deeply.
Oh no, not again. I'm really sorry, Spangy.
Well, since it's your goat, you'd better help me get my things back.
The farmer nodded and grabbed his wheelbarrow.
Of course, I'll help.
Oh, look, the nutty goat escaping.
They loaded the leftover bread, muffins, and even Spangy himself into the wheelbarrow. The farmer began pushing them back toward the market. But halfway there,
Oh no, look,
the nutty goat had escaped again, this time standing right in the middle of the street, blocking traffic. All the cars stopped, honking loudly.
I'll handle this.
He tried to chase the goat away from the road, but the nutty goat dashed off, squeezing between houses and disappearing again. The goat went in a house garden this time, munching on tree leaves.
That goat will be the end of me.
They returned to the market, and luckily the traffic jam cleared. The car started to drive smoothly and carefully. Everything looks back to normal on the main street. In the market, Spangy and the farmer together, they placed everything back neatly on Spangy's shop shelves.
Thank you, farmer. You really saved the day.
He handed the farmer a warm loaf of bread.
Thank you, Spangy. And I'm truly sorry about all the trouble. I'd better go catch that goat before he causes more mischief.
As the farmer walked away, there in someone's garden was the nutty goat again, this time munching on tree leaves.
Come on, you nutty goat. Time to go home.
He loaded the nutty goat into the wheelbarrow and headed back to the farm. When they arrived, the nutty goat jumped out, ran straight into the watermelon patch, and started chomping on the watermelons. Oh, not again. Nutty goat! The farmer parked his wheelbarrow, grabbed the warm loaf of bread Spangy had given him, and looked around the farm. He took a deep breath, watching the nutty goat happily munching away in the watermelon patch, completely unaware of the chaos it caused. The farmer scratched his head, deep in thought. What do you think? Should the farmer try to train the nutty goat, build a better fence, or maybe give the nutty goat its very own bakery? Write your idea in the comments. How should the farmer solve his nutty goat problem?